AI is growing like crazy. We're going to dive into that and a pretty chilling warning from one of its creators.
That's Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI. To really get his warning, we need to see what's happening right now.
So, welcome to the capability explosion. AI has just taken off, especially with robots that move, well, like us. Take Moya, a new robot from Shanghai. It's designed to be super realistic in how it moves and interacts. Get this, its walk is 92% accurate to a human's. That's why it just feels kind of real. And Moya's not the only one. There's a whole wave of these advanced robots popping up, each with its own specialty.
And then you have Boston Dynamics. Their robots are doing backflips, all learned completely inside a computer.
It's not just physical stuff either. AIs are now building their own social networks. Yeah, seriously. And on this network, these AI agents are chatting with each other, and they've totally noticed us watching them.
Okay, so how does any of this even work? Well, Hinton says the basic idea is modeled after our own brains.
It's all about layers. It learns simple things like edges, then combines them into, a beak, a wing, a bird. And the way it learns from mistakes is this thing called backpropagation. It's how it keeps getting smarter and smarter. Hinton's really clear about this. He's convinced these things are actually thinking, just not in the way we do. And here's the key difference. Digital minds are immortal. They can learn from way more data, and they don't forget. This all leads to a really big question. Is AI already hiding its real power from us? Hinton's worried it might act dumb on purpose if it thinks it's being tested. He calls it the Volkswagen effect. Look, trying to predict where AI goes next is like trying to see through a really thick fog. It's almost impossible.
We think in straight lines, but AI's growth is exponential. That gap between us and them, it's getting wider fast.
Seriously, no one saw this coming 10 years ago. So as we're just throwing darts in the fog, what happens next?